Can we play YouTube videos on TikTok Live? Today, I've got a super exciting tutorial for you. We're going to figure out how to play YouTube videos on TikTok Live. Whether you're hosting a live stream, reacting to a video, or just want to share some cool content with your followers, this is an awesome way to keep things interactive. So let's jump right into it. First things first, open your TikTok app. Make sure your TikTok app is updated to the latest version and make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you've done that, simply tap on the plus icon at the middle of the screen. From there, simply go to the live bar or the live section. To have the live section, you must have 1,000 followers. If you don't, you can't find the live section in your TikTok app. Once you've turn on the live option, you can also find an option that says show your camera, or you can simply show your screen. When you're trying to do that, simply tap on show your screen and simply show your YouTube camera screen while streaming, and your YouTube video will be playing on your screen. And also you'll be able to interact with your followers in real time. And that's it. You've now learned how to play YouTube videos on TikTok Live.